What's up, guys? Welcome back to another Fortnite Emote tutorial series. My name is Brandon Henschel. I am your dance professor, and I provide you guys with professional grade dance instruction. Today, you're going to be learning the Fortnite Emote Pop Lock. This is an advanced emote, so take your time, go slow, have fun with it. But before we get started, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the noties, okay? That way you get notified every time I go live or a new video is posted. And hook your boy up next time you're in the item shop. Use code DANCEPROFESSOR. All right, guys, you ready to learn this emote? Let's hit it. All right, you guys, so here we go. This is how you do the pop lock emote. I'm gonna face the front as usual, okay? That way you don't have to worry about reversing anything. And if you hear any squeaking or squealing, that's my Chihuahua. He misses his mama, and he's at the front door having a commit fit. Okay, so here we go. This is how you do pop lock, guys. You're gonna kind of start with your hands here like this, okay? Just kind of get them loose and get them ready. There's a lot of isolations with this. First thing you're gonna do is you're gonna turn your knee in. Boom, boom, you're gonna roll up and flop your arms out. Okay, so if I break that down real quick, your right knee is going to go in, and then you're going to push forward with your hips. You go chest, you go shoulders, elbows come up like that. I always break it down for my kids this way. Flap like a bird, bring your arms down. Flap like a bird, bring your arms down. You're using your shoulders first, your elbows, your wrists, and then everything kind of comes down. Okay, so it's just like you're flapping, all right? So once again, it's going to go like this. In, out, roll, flop. And then from here, you're going to turn your knee in again. So then what you're going to do is your right foot's going to use your heel to go this way, and then your left toe is going to turn in. So if I face you guys real quick, okay, here's your right leg, here's your left leg. The heel's going like this, okay? It looks like boom, okay? Stay on both your toes, okay? So stay on both your toes, you're going to move your heels, okay? And you want to cross your right leg in front. So after you come up and you flop, you're going to bring your knee in. Turn your heel, boom, this way. Now use your toes to go this way. So once again from the top, that looks like this. 7, 8, you go boom, boom, roll it out, in, twist, twist, sit down, have that left knee pop up. What you're gonna do now is you're gonna turn and this leg is gonna cross, boom, like this. Okay, you're gonna get to the front, and when you get to the front, go down, that leg's gonna circle all the way around, kind of cross it to the back, and then your body turns again this way to the front. Super hard to demonstrate that slow. So I got my hand up on the wall so you can kind of just see what the legs are doing. Your arms are going to be back here like this. So from here, you're going to turn, bring your arms back, okay? Leg comes around, you cross it, you turn all the way to the front to then go, woo, just like that. Lift your elbows and your shoulders up, okay? Then from here, you're going to bring your left arm down. It's going to come across, and you're going to do the same twist again. You're going to go twist this heel forward. Then you're going to use your toes to go this way. Then you're going to step forward. Then you're going to kind of like with your stomach and your chest. We'll move this way a little bit so you can see me better. Go this way with your stomach and your chest. Boom, and then this is going to go flick. You're going to go kick. You're going to jump out, just like that. Then you're going to take your left elbow, you're going to go up, you're going to cross, and you're going to turn to the front. And then it starts all the way over again from the top. You notice that it travels this way a little bit. So even in the video when I did it with the skin, I'm kind of traveling closer to the center frame. It is what it is. The computer doesn't have to worry about traveling. As a human being, you do have to worry about it. So it does happen naturally. So if you feel like you're getting off center, that's totally normal. If you need to, go back, pause that, and just rewind over and over again. Just keep rewinding, keep doing the same steps, repeating them over and over again. Repetition is your best friend. You can really hear the Chihuahua going nuts right now. But what we're gonna do right now is we're gonna put that together from the top with count. Did you hear that? It looks like this. 6, 7, 8. You go in, out, roll it up. In, twist, twist, knee, turn, down, cross, turn, woo, just like that. Then you're gonna bring your hand down, you're gonna go twist, again, step, flick, kick, out, elbow, cross, turn. Again. boom, 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 and you repeat it all over again, okay? Again, this is a really advanced email. Isolations are really difficult, and when you're turning in the position of your arms, like, it's all very kind of free, so it's really hard to match things exact, but you can basically get the steps, okay? If you need to, again, pause, rewind, go back and try all that again. We're gonna do this with the skin and the music. Here we go, 5, 6, 7, 8. Boom, there you go. That is the Fortnite Emote Pop Lock. I hope you guys had fun learning that. If there's steps that kind of hang you up and you really want to get them, comment down below. And I have an online dance academy where you can take class from me online with a Zoom link. I have classes throughout the entire week. So if you're interested in learning some of these steps, or you want to learn other steps, or you just want to get better at dance, period, comment down below, let me know. I'll send you guys all the information. All right, guys, thanks again. Have a great rest of your week. I will see you next week. Peace out.